Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Amanina Hanani. Today, my friends and I will present about our project. Now, I will explain about the business model canvas. This is the overview about our business model canvas. Our project consists of 9 categories of business model canvas, which are key partners, key activities, value proposition, customer relationship, customer segment, key resources, channels, cost structure, and the last one is revenue stream. For the first one is key partners. We have 3 key partners. The first one is network local grocery shops, followed by delivery riders and partnerships with similar services to expand its reach. We have 6 key activities, which are development of the system, second, IT maintenance and operation, next, marketing, customer support, order processing, and the last one is human resource. As you can see, there are 6 value propositions. For the first one, we want to provide customers with an easy way to buy the groceries in Nilai. Second, we want to help those who cannot get out from house. For example, the elderly, people with disability, and people with no transportation. Third, we want to encourage customers to support local products. Fourth, we want to practice social distancing during this COVID-19 pandemic. Next, we want to increase employment opportunities, especially for graduates and youths facing unemployment due to the COVID-19 pandemic in Nilai. And the last one for the value proposition is you want to make sure the customer can place order via the online website. For the customer relationships, we have 7 relationships, which are convenience, second, cost reduction, followed by delivery order to customer address, featuring by categories, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website accessible, human component through phone and email support, and the last one is discounts and promotions.
Okay, next we move to customer segments. As we know that customer segments are person who was our very valuable customer. So there are residents in the area, grocery shops who want to reach client from usual channel, individuals who want to practice social distancing during MCO, also individuals working professional and families, and lastly high and middle class person. Next is key resources. As we know, we have 4 key resources: physical, intellectual, financial, and human. But we are focusing on 3 because we are doing remote work. And intellectual are non-physical thing like all grocery shop added to the offer, large variety of groceries such as dairy products, meat and staple foodstuff, and also software features like search engine filtering and payment. Next is financial. Financial is something related to cash and credit cards, so we have online portal to manage property business. And lastly, human resources. We have our sales and marketing team. Next is cost structure. As we know that cost structure are the most expensive key activities. So what are they? In our company, we have a lot of cost structure like customer support and operation, administration, IT infrastructure to maintain domain, platform development to improve UI design and UX. Next is growth, offices, logistics, cost of delivery riders, and also we have discount for customers. Next is channel. Channel is where our customer segments can reach to us. So we have a few like website or online portal, which is our website. Next is our sales team. Our sales team contact number will be provided. Next is direct business development team. And lastly, they can reach to us through social media pages account, so they can give their positive and negative feedback. And lastly, revenue streams. Revenue streams are the things that customers are willing to pay and why they have to pay. So we have a few. There are 5. Okay, so first one is delivery fees, which is a very affordable price. Next is surcharge on store price, recurring revenue share from restaurant partners. Next is tax in low price because we have to pay for the government also. Next is advertising fees. Our company charges third-party fee to advertise their offerings on websites and mobile apps. And lastly, small orders, because we want to get a profit from our service also. So that's all from Business Canvas.
So we open Eclipse and we run the project on a server. We use Google Chrome as browser and we use Apache Tomcat 9 as a server. We use port 8080. This is the home view for public customer. First, public customer can browse products. Then, public customer also can browse product by its categories. This is for vegetables. This is for fruits. This is for fish and seafood. This is for meat and poultry. And this is for others. Next, public customer also can search product using its name. And he will appear here. Next, public customer also can take a look on the product description. However, when they want to add the product into the cart, or she must register the account first. Only registered account can buy the products from the website. So next, public customer also can contact admin. So the data is successfully saved. We use MySQL for the database. So when we take a look is for contact into the database. Okay, it appear here. Created by root because this is the public customer. Next, public customer also can register account. First name and last name. Put the name. Number. Address. Sign up. So the data for the registration is successfully saved on the database. When we check in the database user has this. So what happened if someone else register using the same login ID? Let's say the name is Alia. Same login ID as Alia Rosli. Okay, we sign up. It will say the login ID already exists because the data is already existed in the database.
Hi, my name is Nur Fatih binti Ahmad Subki. Now I will explain about the admin page. So now let's try to log in as admin. But first, we want to show you what happens if the admin enter the password incorrectly. So the admin just to enter the password and then click the button sign in and it will say the invalid login ID and password. But if the admin forget the password, the admin can click the forget your password and it will automatically link to the page forget password, and the admin just need to enter email ID, so the new password will be sent to the admin's email. So now we're going to log in as admin. So make sure the login ID and password is correct, and it will automatically link to the admin homepage and it will say hello admin. Next, admin also can add categories by click the categories, and admin can scroll down and click the button add new categories, and it will link to the categories page where admin can enter the new name for the categories. Admin also can choose a file to upload a new images, and then admin also can enter some description about the new category. Then admin just need to click button save, so it will say that the data is successfully saved. So now we're going to look at database and check if the data already been saved in database. So just refresh it and you can see here the data is already saved in database. So now we're going to look at Eclipse and refresh the online grocery shopping, and then back to the websites and look at the categories, and you can see here the new categories already been updated in our website. Next, if admin wanted to delete the category, the admin just need to click the button delete and the category already deleted. And let us check the database. We just need to refresh it, and you can see here the data already been deleted in database. Admin also can edit the categories by click the button edit, and it will go to categories page. And if the admin wanted to edit the image, just click the button choose image and edit, and admin can choose any file and just click the button save. And we just need to refresh at the Eclipse back and go to the website and check if the categories already been updated, and so you can see here the pictures already updated. So let's move to the product. So as admin can also add a new product by click the button add new product, and it will automatically link to the product page. So to add a new product, admin just need to select a category name. So here we're going to choose others, and then the admin just need to enter the product name, and then admin just need to put price and also choose image. that's suitable for the product. And then the admin also must put the descriptions of the product and click the button save. And it will say that the data is successfully saved. And then we're going to go to the Eclipse and refresh it. And we back to the websites and check if the product already updated. So you can see here the bola daging is already updated. But now we want to check if the database already saved about it or not. So we're going to go at the database and refresh it. So make sure the database is SO product. And then after refresh it, you can see here the meatball is already updated. So next, we're going to try to delete the product. Just click the button delete. And you can see at the websites, the bola daging is already deleted. So we're going to go to the database to check. We just need to refresh it back and check. So the meatball or bola daging already been deleted in database. Next, admin also can edit the product. So we're going to try to edit a fishball product by click the button edit, and it will link to the product page, so the admin can edit the product. So as you can see here, the descriptions is wrong, so the admin can just edit it back. The admin also can choose a file for the new images and click the button save. So it will state that the data is successfully updated. So and then the admin just need to go to the Eclipse and refresh it back and go back to the websites at the product category and check if the descriptions already been updated. So just click the image, and as you can see here, the product description is already updated. Next, admin also can look at sale history that customer already been made. So as you can see here, there is a lot of sale history that customers already buy it at the website. So it includes number, product, username, shipping address, billing address, date, and also price. Next, admin also can take a look at the contacts from the customers, and it also linked to the database. As you can see here, the database for contact is SO contacts. So here is a database already been saved about contacts. Next, admin also can add new admin. Just click the add admin and it will link to the new admin page. So admin just need to enter the first and the last name and also login ID. So admin also can enter the password for the new admin and make sure to re-enter the password correctly. And after that, just fill out the email address and also mobile number, and then click the button save. So it already state that the data is successfully saved for admin. So we're going to check if the data is already stored in database. So click the SO user database. So as you can see here, the admin2 is already stored in database. Next, admin also can take a look at their profile. So admin can edit the profile, such as edit their new mobile number, and just need to click save. So it will say that the profile has been updated successfully, and just check at the database for the first admin. We just need to refresh, and you can see here the first admin, the new mobile number is already changed. So we're going to log out and try to log in the new admin that we already been create just now. So just put login ID admin2 and password and enter login. So it already successful as it already entered the admin homepage.
So this is the login page. First, I want to show you what will happen if the user put the wrong password. You put an incorrect password. Then the page will show invalid login ID and password. The user can click on forget your password, and it will show the forget password page where the user need to submit their email address and the password will be sent to their email. You log in again. For this time, we put the correct password. Once we click on the sign in button, it will appear the user homepage. Welcome to KAD LI Enterprise. And once we click on the product, it will show the various type of product in the website. If we want to see it by the categories, we can click on vegetables. So it will shows the vegetables only. Click on fruits, it will shows the fruit product only. If we go to fish and seafood, it will show the fish and seafood products only. Meat and poultry, it will show meat and poultry products only. And others, it will show the type of product that does not have in our categories. If you want to see the details of the product, we can click the image of product. Then it will show the details of the product. If you want to search the product, we can just search. For example, I want to search ikan kembung. Then it will appear the ikan kembung only, ikan kembung product only. So we click on ikan kembung. We can see the details of ikan kembung. This time I want to add it to the cart. Add to cart. And on the cart page, we can alter the quantity if you want alter the quantity of the product. We also can delete if we doesn't want the product. We can also click view. The view click is for we want to view the product that we want to buy. This time I want to alter the quantity. I want to change it to 2. Then I will click update. Once I click update, the subtotal, shipping and total will be updated. And the quantity, if I want to add another product, I can just click on continue shopping. If I want to check out, I can just click on checkout button. For this time, I want to click on continue shopping. For example, I want to add to cart the broccoli. So I press add to cart. Then it will show the cart. Check out. Before we check out, I want to see the database. We check on our SQL, MySQL. We go to cart table and we click refresh. Then the data that have been also updated in the table, in our table in MySQL. Then we click checkout. On checkout, we can review our order, what we had buy, the number of the product, description, quantity of the product, price, and the total of price. If you want to buy again, we want to add another product, we can click on cart and add it again. And the confirm detail we had got from the user's profile. If the user want to change the detail, the user can change it on profile, on their profile, on profile page. Then we click submit. Once you click submit, we go to payment page. On the payment page, we need to fill the information of our card. Card number, expiration of the card, and we click on confirm payment. Once the payment is confirmed, it will show the invoice page. And we click on history. For history, it will show the payment that we had done and the product, what type of product that we had buy, and on what date we do the payment. Next, on my SQL, we can see it on the table, on invoice table. Then it will show the updated product that we had buy. Next, the customer also can contact the admin. Customer need to fill the information such as name, email address, and the message. Click save button, and the data is successfully saved. The admin can get the message on their page. See it on SQL. You can see it on the contact table. The table is being updated. Next, we go to my profile. The user can see their profile, and if they want to change their profile, their information, they can change it. For example, I want to change the mobile number. Then I click save, and the profile has been updated successfully. You see on my SQL. As you can see here, the phone number, the mobile number has been updated. Next, if we want to change password, we can click change password button. Put our old password. Put the new password. And the confirm password. And we click save. The password updated successfully. And we can use the new password. Then we go to my SQL. You can see the password that we had changed before has been updated. Then we click on log out, and we have been logged out successfully.